Getting a ticket for speeding.
Good afternoon. May I see your license, please?
Yes, officer, here it is.
Do you know why I stopped you?
Maybe I was driving a little fast.
Yes, you were speeding.
I am sorry.
The speed limit here is 40.
How fast was I going?
You were driving 55 miles an hour.
Oh, I did not notice.
Were you in a hurry?
Yes, I was late for work.
I understand, but you still need to be careful.
Yes, you are right.
Have you had a speeding ticket before?
No, this is my first time.
Please wait here for a moment.
Okay, officer.
I checked your record.
Is everything okay?
Yes, your driving record is clean,
That is good to hear.
but I still need to give you a ticket.
I understand.
Please sign here.
Does this mean I have to go to court?
No, just pay it before the date on the ticket.
Where can I pay it?
The website is written on the ticket.
Okay, thank you for telling me.
Please drive safely next time.
I will. Today will be a slower day.
Returning food at a restaurant.
Excuse me, there is a small problem with my food.
I am sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
My soup is cold.
Oh, I am very sorry.
I just started eating and I noticed it right away.
Thank you for telling me.
Could you please take it back?
Of course. Would you like the same soup again?
Yes, please. I like this soup.
I will bring you a hot one.
Thank you. I appreciate that.
Would you like some bread while you wait?
Yes, that would be nice.
I will bring it right now.
Thank you very much.
Here is some fresh bread.
That looks good.
Your new soup will be ready in a minute.
No problem. I can wait.
Thank you for your patience.
It is okay. These things happen.
Here is your new soup. Please be careful, it is hot.
Great. It feels much warmer now.
Would you like to try it first?
Yes, one moment.
Is everything okay now?
Yes, it tastes very good.
I am happy to hear that.
Thank you for helping me.
You are welcome.
The service here is very good.
That is kind of you to say.
Now I can enjoy my meal.
Enjoy your food. Breaking up with someone.
Can we talk for a minute?
Yes, you sound serious.
I have something hard to say.
Okay, I am listening.
You are a very good person.
But something is wrong.
Yes, I do not feel the same now.
What do you mean?
I think we should break up.
Oh, I did not expect that.
I am sorry.
Did I do something bad?
No, not at all.
Then why now?
My feelings have changed.
This makes me sad.
I know. I feel bad too.
How long have you felt this way?
For a few weeks now.
Why did you not tell me before?
I wanted to be sure first.
I understand a little.
You deserve honesty.
Thank you for telling me the truth.
I still respect you very much.
I respect you too.
I hope you will be okay.
Not today, maybe later.
That is fair.
I need some time now.
Of course. Take care.
Goodbye, Jackson. At the newsagents.
Good morning.
Good morning. How can I help you?
I need a newspaper.
Which one would you like?
The Daily Times, please.
Here you are.
Thank you.
Anything else today?
Yes, I need a bus card.
Sure. How much credit do you want?
$10, please.
No problem.
Do you also sell pens?
Yes, right over here.
I need a blue one.
This one is very popular.
It looks good. I will take it.
Anything for school or work?
Just a small notebook.
They're on that shelf.
This black one is nice.
Good choice.
How much is everything?
Let me check.
Okay.
It is $14.
Can I pay by card?
Yes, of course.
Great. Here you go.
The payment is done.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. See you again. Meeting a friend.
Lily, is that you?
Jackson, wow, is that really you?
Yes, it has been a long time.
A very long time.
How have you been?
Pretty good. How about you?
Busy, but good.
Do you still live in the city?
Yes, I work downtown now.
Nice. I moved here last year.
Really? Where do you live now?
In a small apartment near the park.
That sounds nice. Do you like it there?
Yes, it is quiet and friendly.
That sounds perfect.
What about you? Are you married now?
No, not yet.
Same here.
Do you still like painting?
Yes, I paint every weekend.
That is great. Do you still play guitar?
A little, but not very well now.
I remember you were good.
Thank you. That is kind of you. Do you have time right now?
Yes, I'm free this afternoon.
Do you want to get some coffee?
Yes, I would love that.
There's a nice cafe nearby.
Perfect. Let's go.
Today feels really nice.